Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to change the ringtone in your XIAOMI Mi 9. To do this operation, go to your settings here and now search for sound and vibration here, and as you see you can choose the volume of the alarm, volume of the calls, and volume of the music and media. Now choose the phone ringtone. You can choose which SIM card we're gonna edit now. Now we can edit SIM 1, Mi Remix. It's just sound like that. Mi Jazz, Mi Electronic, and all the ringtone here. Cowboy is good, and Apply for SIM 2. Childhood is too good. And as you see, we are edit the ringtone volume and ringtone sound. You can of course choose the sound of your notification here by ready sound and all the ringtone in your phone. Just that. You can choose the ringtone of your events and alarm sounds of your phone. Now here, download volume audio. Daydream is good. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!